These things are all over the place. I'm out here with my buddy Jack. And we're going for a little bit of a ride. That guy's got a Brook Break because it is locked up and it is stanky. Now we're not doing as fancy of a ride as we do a lot of times, but we're having a little bit of back road here. Better than taking the highway, which we did on the way down. Nice bike. It's a little gummy thing. It holds it. It ain't going anywhere. I've had it highway speeds. Also got one that clamps here.
I've been trying to get out of the house for the last 5 hours for driving. I was trying to get stuff done. I finally got out.
Hey, it's the only way to do it. Is get on when you can. Marley Neck Industrial Park, Under Armour. Now, if you guys wear Under Armour, this is the Under Armour plant.
I've been there.
See the sign right there?
I've been there with like, yeah, I've been there. I forgot the reason why, but I've been there.
Now they have a lot of warehouses in that back here. But Under Armour was created by a guy who graduated from University of Maryland, my alma mater. You have Nissan down here, that's just parts and that. All kinds of stuff. And right there she is, Marley Neck Industrial Park, Under Armour. I don't know if this goes all the way through, but let's go find out. Some of these industrial complexes are pretty cool to drive through. Speaking of, now here's something you don't see every day. A couple of bikes just sitting there. So you're just sitting there? Yeah. Shouldn't you be up having fun too?
Yeah.
So how you guys doing? I was just driving around, saw you guys, said I gotta stop and say hey. So do you guys watch YouTube ever?
Oh, yeah.
Dark Dave's Shop. Dark Dave's Shop.
Dark Dave's Shop. We'll check you out.
Not a problem. You guys have a good one. I don't want him to be nervous, so I'm gonna go.
Okay.
You guys have a good one. By the way, these are good places to do some practice runs, especially on weekends. You don't have many people back here. And if you're a YouTuber, it's always good to give people your name, let them find you. Little speed bump here. I don't know if a bus comes today. I'm assuming it does. She seems like she's patiently waiting. Got water down in there, that's more swampy goo. That's what a lot of this area was. These are good places to come, have some fun, safely away from everything. we're down here at the you got to turn around point. Trains used to go up along there. So how fast you get those things? That's how fast you get them.
173.
Now I bet you guys have a great, I'm like, man, I gotta ask when I go back. I've only had the small ones, not something quite that size.
Oh, okay.
You guys have a great day. What do you think, Jack? Should I get something that? Should I get something like that? Little RC car? Yeah, those things go pretty fast when you get them going.